Hi, it's Laura here from iHeart Planners, and today I'm going to show you how to print front to back without a lot of stress. I know sometimes you kind of dread printing front to back because you can't remember quite how to put the paper in the printer, so I'm going to show you my little tricks for making that a lot easier. So the first thing that I do is I set up kind of a test sheet. So I write headline, pretend like this is the page I want to print on, here's the writing. Then I figure out how I want to test putting it in the printer. So I'm just going to flip it over, and then this is the key. I'm going to put arrows showing what direction it went into the printer. And then I'm going to slide it in, and I'm going to go ahead and print the sheet that I wanted to print. Meanwhile, I'm just going to go ahead and set up another test sheet for myself just in case that one doesn't come out correctly. So we can already see that it's printing over my test case, so I know that I want it needs to flip to where the side with the printing is going facing up. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in that way. I'm going to put arrows, so I'm going to put the top of the page going in first, and we're just going to see what happens. And in a second, I'll show you how to make sure that you don't have to do this every time you print. Okay, we're already looking better. We definitely got it on the correct side, but we want to see if it's obviously going the correct direction. So, oh, looks good. There would be my headline. So now we know this is the way that we want to always put the paper in, like this. Arrows going this way. So the simple trick to make sure I always know this is I just save this paper right next to my printer. So the next time I want to print something out, I go to my guide. You can even kind of stack it up on top, put it in and take it out so you know you have it the right way. And there's one more little trick I want to show you. Don't just do that test case. Do one where it's going sideways, because sometimes you do have things going sideways, and sometimes it can be a little bit confusing to know which way it goes in. So I'm going to test, let's say I put it in this way. There's my arrows, and I'll just do a test case and see how that turns out. Alright, so we can see here that actually came out correctly. Here was my headline and my writing, and here's the direction this goes. So if I have a sideways paper, this is exactly the way that I need to put it in. So all I do is I save these two papers right next to my printer, and the next time I need to print back to back, there's no more guessing games, no more trial and error. That's all I do. Thanks for watching.